Hi. When you want to use multiple Facebook IDs in a browser, it's not possible. Because when you open second tab and open facebook.com, the same account comes. Today, I will show you how to use multiple Facebook IDs in a single browser. I will be using Mozilla Firefox. Here you can see, I use almost 20 IDs in a single place. So, let's do it. I will be using Mozilla Firefox. 3 bars. Extensions. Type multi-account containers. It will take to extension. Simply add it to Firefox. Now simply get started and go further. Here the place comes. By default here 4 containers are given where we can open 4 Facebook IDs. But we will open more. Manage containers. You can rename the container, change color and icon. I want to increase a container for more Facebook IDs. Naming it Open Sky. Color and icon. Done. Now let's open containers. Come to this icon. Click one by one to get the containers opened. I have opened 5 containers and closing the starter one. Now going to Facebook. These are totally separate pages and now logging in with different IDs won't bother one another like the way I use. You can also delete a container if needed. Finally, if you want all the IDs to be opened when Firefox is opened, this come to Startup and mark it. So, this is how you can simply use many Facebook IDs in a single browser of Mozilla Firefox. Hope this helped you. Let us know any question or query in the comment box. I will try to help you my best. Goodbye.